So as our AC is minus, so I have to take the Z value as minus 0.41. Variance AC is calculated beforehand. So if our AC is Z is minus 0.41, then I have to find out the critical value of Z. And if this critical value of Z is negative, then our Z must be more negative than that. If our Z critical value of Z is positive, then our Z must be more positive than that. So as our critical value of Z has come to be 1.92, however our Z is negative minus 0.41, so it shows that there is no trend. But it is an incorrect decision because in our case number of data point is less than 30, so I should not use the value of Z to decide whether we have a trend or not. So this is the proof that if your data point is less than 30, don't use. If your number of data point is less than 30, don't use the Z-score method, use the tau method. And if your data point has more than 30, then use the Z-score. So here you see the Z-score has detected the trend incorrectly, because in our case there is only 12 number of data points, so it is incorrectly detected. So I have to ignore the detection of Z-score, and I have to go with the detection of tau, where it has correctly detected the trend as available. There is a trend in this data set. Okay, so this much for today. So if you like this tutorial, kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel and also my newsletter hydrogeek.substack.com. And also you can visit the my website, where you can find many such courses on statistics as well as bio-inspired optimization techniques. So the website, the address to the website is boipatro.ws, www.boipatra.ws, or you can straight away scan this QR code and visit my YouTube channel, subscribe there. You will get lots of free tutorials, startup ideas, internships and many other career developmental opportunities in water and power engineering. Okay, so goodbye for now. See you in the next video. Okay, so that much for the Maney Kendall test for trend analysis, or rather trend detection. I think if you can apply this test for your research problems, then I will think that I am successful in showing you the way you have to conduct the Maney Kendall test for trend detection. It's a very simple test, but you must do this test or any other trend detection test for your dataset before developing a model with that dataset. Okay, so if you like this tutorial, share it with your friends. And for now, it is goodbye, but till the next tutorial. Thank you and goodbye and good night. Do you want to know about artificial neural network? A free lecture on artificial neural network can be accessed by scanning the QR code as shown in the video. Just scan the QR code and you will find the tutorial on artificial neural network. Only the basic of artificial neural network was discussed here. For more details, you need to go through my other tutorials related to this ANN techniques. And in this short tutorial, although not short, it is nearly 1 hour long, this time, within this time, I have tried to introduce the basic concepts only.